Let's look at the four stages of ECOSTP. Stage 1 is what we call room and digester filter 1, when all the fecal matter, everything comes in stage 1. Then by gravity moves to stage 2, another series of tank. Stage 2, RDF. Then it moves to stage number 3. Stage number 3, again, it goes through multiple chambers. And lastly, we run to the plant biofilter, which we'll see upstairs, how it looks. And then we have clean water coming out.
We are now entering the Infiniti project by the Ambiant Group, Bangalore. There are 175 apartments in this complex. Welcome to EcoSTP. What you see here is a children's playground. No, it's an STP, sewage treatment plant. So whatever they flush down in this building, grey water, black water, washing machine waste, everything comes below the tanks below, comes here and get treated. And then by gravity, it moves to the stage 2 below this. And again by gravity, goes to multiple chambers, moves to stage 3, the yellow Mickey. And then we move to stage 4. And in stage 4, we have plant biofilter, PBF. The water flows through the gravel, and we have 3 types of plants, Kana, Colocasia, Papyrus. When we reach the final stage, we'll take the water from here. Let us look at the water quality. Yes, here it is. Yeah, as you see, it's a crystal clear water, naturally treated. This water now, after disinfection, they use for flushing. So the entire waters get reused back.